Welcome to ChainLearn, where we make the world of crypto and Web3 simple, structured, and easy to understand. In this episode, we'll explore Chainlink, what it is, how it works, its products, milestones, and why it's one of the most important infrastructures in blockchain today. Chainlink acts as a secure connection between blockchains and the real world, providing data, automation, and interoperability for thousands of projects. Whether it's DeFi, gaming, or enterprise finance, chances are you're already interacting with Chainlink every day without realizing it. To understand Chainlink, let's start with the concept of oracles. Blockchains are closed systems. They can't access the internet directly. This isolation keeps them secure, but it also limits what they can do. Smart contracts, those self-executing programs that run on blockchains, often need real-world information, prices, weather, sports results, or transaction data. Without that data, they're blind. This is where oracles come in, systems that deliver verified data from outside the blockchain to smart contracts inside it. But here's the problem. A single oracle can be manipulated. If one data source fails or is hacked, an entire contract could behave incorrectly. Chainlink solves this by creating a decentralized oracle network where many independent nodes fetch, verify, and aggregate data before sending it on-chain. The result is a reliable, tamper-proof data layer that thousands of smart contracts can trust. Chainlink isn't a single product. It's a comprehensive data platform for Web3. Price feeds deliver accurate, aggregated price data from multiple sources. They're essential for lending, borrowing, and derivatives in DeFi. VRF, verifiable random function, generates randomness that can be mathematically proven to be fair and tamper-resistant. It's used in games, lotteries, and NFT projects where fairness is critical. Proof of reserve continuously verifies that off-chain collateral exists to back tokenized assets like stablecoins or wrap tokens. It prevents false backing and adds transparency to the financial layer of crypto. Functions allow smart contracts to connect directly to external APIs and web data. This bridges traditional internet services with decentralized systems. Data streams provide high-frequency, low-latency market data for high-speed trading platforms and real-time price updates. And CCIP, the cross-chain interoperability protocol, lets data and tokens move securely across multiple blockchains, layer 2s, and private ledgers under a unified standard. Together, these tools make Chainlink the most complete infrastructure for connecting the on-chain and off-chain worlds. Chainlink was founded in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, with research contributions from Ari Juels, one of the world's leading cryptographers. That same year, Chainlink raised around $32 million in its token sale, capital that funded early development and partnerships. Its native token, Link, is used to pay node operators, reward reliability, and secure the network through staking. The mainnet launched in 2019, starting with price feeds on Ethereum. Over time, it expanded to support multiple chains like Avalanche, Polygon, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, and Optimism. Today, Chainlink data feeds secure billions of dollars in smart contracts across DeFi, NFTs, and institutional platforms. Here's how Chainlink works in simple terms. Step 1. Data sources. Chainlink gathers information from multiple reputable providers, such as financial data firms and exchanges, to prevent manipulation. Step 2. Node operators. Independent professional nodes fetch, verify, and sign this data cryptographically before sending it to the blockchain. Step 3. On-chain aggregation. Smart contracts aggregate all the submitted data and calculate a median or weighted average, filtering out outliers and ensuring accuracy. Step 4. Crypto-economic security. Node operators are paid in Link for honest work and penalized for dishonest or failed operations. This incentive system keeps the network transparent, competitive, and secure. In short, Chainlink ensures that the data used by smart contracts is decentralized, verified, and economically protected from manipulation. Price feeds were just the start. Over time, Chainlink evolved into a multi-service ecosystem. VRF gives developers access to verifiable randomness for gaming and NFT use cases. Proof of reserve keeps stablecoins and wrapped tokens honest by verifying their backing. Functions let developers pull any type of web data into their smart contracts. Data streams support traders and protocols that need instant, real-time prices. And CCIP connects all of these across different chains, enabling a world where tokens and data move safely between blockchains. This modular structure allows projects to integrate one service or build entire cross-chain applications using multiple Chainlink products. Today, Chainlink is part of nearly every major DeFi protocol. Price feeds power decentralized exchanges, lending markets, and derivatives platforms. They prevent manipulation and ensure fair pricing. VRF secures randomness in NFT minting and blockchain games, guaranteeing provably fair outcomes. Proof of Reserve continuously monitors the collateral behind stablecoins and wrapped assets, making sure reserves are real and transparent. Functions connect contracts to custom data feeds and web APIs, for example, triggering insurance payouts after verified real-world events. Data streams deliver real-time prices for perpetual futures and automated trading systems. And CCIP is being tested by banks and enterprises for moving tokenized assets across multiple networks. Together, these integrations show how Chainlink supports both DeFi innovation and real-world financial adoption. Chainlink's timeline reflects steady and strategic growth. 2019, mainnet launch. The first price feeds went live on Ethereum. DeFi projects began adopting them rapidly. 2020 to 2022, ecosystem expansion. VRF and Proof of Reserve gained massive adoption. Chainlink expanded to more blockchains and Layer 2 solutions. 2023 to present. Institutional and enterprise growth. CCIP launched with pilot programs involving major financial institutions. Data streams became available for professional trading applications. Today, Chainlink secures billions in value across DeFi, gaming, and enterprise networks, a milestone that few other projects have reached. Chainlink's partnerships cover every layer of the Web3 stack. In DeFi, leading markets, exchanges, and derivatives protocols rely on Chainlink's accuracy and uptime to ensure fair transactions. In enterprise finance, Chainlink collaborates with major financial institutions and payment networks to connect tokenized assets securely across blockchains. In cloud and infrastructure, Chainlink partners with cloud providers and data centers to enhance reliability, monitoring, and uptime for enterprise-grade usage. These collaborations prove that Chainlink isn't just a crypto tool. It's becoming a standard component of global data infrastructure. Chainlink dominates the Oracle space, but let's briefly compare it with other networks. Pyth Network uses a publisher-driven model focused on low-latency market data. It's fast, but depends on single-source publishers. API 3 lets API providers publish their own data on-chain using Airnode. It's elegant but smaller in scale. Band Protocol runs on Cosmos, using validator security for cross-chain data, efficient but less enterprise traction. UMA uses an optimistic Oracle model where data is proposed and disputed if wrong. Redstone uses off-chain caching and on-demand delivery. Each has its niche, but none match Chainlink's combination of decentralization, reliability, and wide adoption across both Web3 and traditional industries. Developers, startups, and global institutions choose Chainlink because it's proven, reliable, and scalable. Security through decentralization. Many independent nodes and data sources mean no single point of failure, a complete toolbox. From data to interoperability, Chainlink offers everything a project needs in one ecosystem, mature ecosystem. Years of uptime, ongoing audits, and trusted integrations make it the industry standard. Developer experience, clear documentation, open-source tools, and pre-built feeds make it easy to build fast and safely. This combination of security, scale, and simplicity is what makes Chainlink the default choice for data and connectivity in Web3. Let's wrap up. Chainlink bridges the gap between smart contracts and the real world, enabling reliable data, automation, and cross-chain communication. It powers thousands of applications, secures billions of dollars, and continues to shape how decentralized systems connect to real-world information. Its reliable price aggregation also plays a key role in keeping funding rates fair in perpetual markets, protecting users from unfair liquidations. Simply put, Chainlink is more than an oracle. It's the data backbone of Web3. It brings trust, transparency, and connectivity to the blockchain world.